Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're hunting for the best Envato elements, coupon codes, CodeCanyon discounts, and Themeforest promo codes in 2025, you've come to the right place. Why pay full price for creative assets, plugins, or themes when you can save big? Here are some codes and deals to try right now. Envato 2025 save 20% off. Envato Elements Annual Plan, Code 25 Canyon, 25% off. Selected CodeCanyon plugins, Theme 2025 off 30, flat 30% off, top selling, Themeforest themes, bundle 25 ENV, save 25% on Envato bundle deals, Studentenv 2025 student discount, 15% off with Student Beans Creator 40, limited time 40% off seasonal deals. How to use these codes, head over to a trusted coupon site like Hosting Coupon Spot or Envato's own promotions page. Copy the code you want, go to Envato Elements, CodeCanyon, or Themeforest, and add your item or subscription to cart. At checkout, paste the code in the coupon/promo code box. Apply and watch your price drop instantly. Pro tip, Envato runs huge sales during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and mid-year events, sometimes up to 50% off without even needing a code. Always check links in the description for the freshest 2025 deals before you buy. And that's it for today.